For this recipe of artichokes that I'm making, it's kind of a breaded artichoke parmesan. I'm going to be using the canned artichoke hearts. We are going to drain them and give them a little rinse. But first, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notified when I create a new video. Like and share this video, it really helps out the channel. Now let's get into the recipe. Just drain off all the liquid here. I'm just going to put these on paper towels and get them all kind of dried up. Make sure they're kind of dry, not super dry, but at least get all the excess, preservative or whatever salts and stuff that they put in that liquid off. 6 artichoke hearts in that can. This is a 8.5 ounce can. So because they are kind of big, and you can keep them big if you like, you just slice them right down the middle, like that. Pat them dry. It's not going to matter too much, but we don't want it too wet. I've got some all-purpose flour, an egg with a little bit of water, so it's basically an egg wash to loosen it up a little bit, some Italian seasoned breadcrumbs, which I'm also going to add some Parmesan cheese, a pinch of salt, black pepper in here, and we're going to get some black pepper in the flour too, because you want to make sure you season wherever you can, and a little bit of salt in the flour, garlic powder in the flour also, and in the breadcrumbs and oregano. I'm using dried oregano here, onion powder. The egg, you want to add a little seasoning to the egg too. You can, that's okay. I'm just going to hit it with a little black pepper and a little bit of salt. Again, we're going to have plenty of seasoning here. So let's just mix up this egg for the egg wash. All right. And I'm just going to mix up the breadcrumbs too, just to make sure that everything is incorporated. We get everything mixed up. Same thing with the flour, just kind of mix it all up. And this is a quick recipe, it comes together fast. It's good for appetizers during the holidays or even on the weekend or at night, when you come home, you're in a rush. All right, so take one of the hearts, get it all nice and floured. Okay, tap off any excess, get it to the egg, and right to the breadcrumbs. All right, and we take it and we'll put it face down. Take the next one into the flour. So just going to roll it around in the flour, just lightly floured, not too heavy. Tap off the excess. Egg. And breadcrumbs. So we're just going to spray with a little bit of garlic oil. So just a couple of light sprays here. I'm going to bring this over to the air fryer oven and we're going to get it done. Okay, I've got it preheated to 425. Going to get that in the center. Close it. Adjust the time to about 10 minutes. I'm going to hit start and I'll bring you back when these are done for the next step. All right, so it's been 10 minutes and I'm going to pull them out now. And I did flip them so we can get them nice and toasted on both sides. So now I'm just going to line these up here so we can get some cheese on them. Okay, let's get that one there looking good. So I'm going to get some of this marinara sauce that I already had pre-made. And we're just going to spoon a little bit over the top. Not too much. We're not trying to make a soup here. All right. And they smell fantastic. I can smell the garlic, the cheese. Just going to finish this off with a little bit more. Okay, so we get all those covered. And I'm just going to get some of this shredded mozzarella just over the top. You can use a smaller shred. I think that the large shred just melts better. Now that I have the mozzarella pretty much on all of them, I'm going to get it back into the air fryer here. Hit the start. It's not really going to matter. We're only going to go about 2 minutes here. until the cheese melts, then we'll pull it off and we'll start eating. I've taken them out of the air fry oven. I added a little cheese, some sauce to it. I'm gonna get some more Romano cheese. You can use Parmigiano Reggiano if you want. I got Romano, so I'm gonna hit it with a little bit extra Romano. Here, and a little bit more in the sauce here, why not? All right, so let's, I'm gonna get a little bit more of this sauce here. This marinara sauce, the pre-made, I had it set aside. Okay, get a little bit more on here. All right, so let's take this one here. So, I mean, they held together really nice. Got a nice crust on it. They smell fantastic. So, let's give it a try. That's good. The artichoke heart's got kind of a unique texture, you know, the leaves and stuff. Good flavor, nice and sweet, and cheese, you can't go wrong. So I'm gonna finish this one off. So I hope you guys have enjoyed my new favorite, artichoke parmesan. If you liked it, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Give me some likes, some shares. Check out that video right there, and I'll see you in the next video.